let me set the mood. It's midnight, the neighbors have complained about the noise, you've turned the speakers off, but nobody's leaving. What do? You've done it 1,000 times. You move the party to a party cup. Okay. These speakers are very easy to make and work on the same principle as your party cup. All you do, you stick it in, sound comes out of your iPhone speakers, echoes in the echo chamber, if you can see. Super easy to make. A couple of bits of scrap wood, some glue, some paint, and some time on your hands. That's basically it. I think I've got 9 or 10 designs here. That's 9 or 10 people I've crossed off my Christmas list. So by the end of this tutorial, all I'm going to have done is shown you how to make the basic box design, and you can dress it up however you want. Go on internet, go on Pinterest, go on wherever, find yourself some inspiration, color schemes, and just make it your own. Okay, so let me show you what tools we're going to need to make all these bad boys. If you're just getting started in woodworking, the most versatile tool you can have is a jigsaw. It'll let you do straight cuts, it'll let you cut holes, it'll let you do all sorts of things. You can work on a whole sheet of plywood, you can work on small bits. It really is a great tool to have in your workshop and you won't regret it. Second is a drill with a drill bit. This is a 2-inch drill bit. This is what we're going to use in order to make the speaker holes. Now, if you're a more experienced woodworker and you've got a table saw, you've got a drill press, the workshop's your playground. You can do whatever you want, however you want. Use your imagination and make it your way. The next thing you're going to want is some way of gluing your wood together. I would suggest wood glue. It's much more forgiving. If all you've got is spray glue, completely possible, you can do it that way. But I would recommend wood glue. It's much more forgiving. You can move your bit around till you find the right spot and either clamp it or nail it. This spray glue is going to come in really handy when we put the mosquito net just around the holes to make the speaker look a little bit nicer. The other thing you're going to want is a sealer. This is going to help seal the wood pore in order for your paint to have somewhere to land. If you don't use a sealer, your paint's just going to absorb straight into the wood. It's a nice look as well. It shows up the wood grain. If that's what you're looking for, go ahead, you do it. But if you want a smooth finish, use some sealer. And those are basically all the tools you need. Having some tape, masking tape, always comes in handy. You can see it all fits on the table. No need for anything else. Okay, so let's make one. Okay, at this point we're left with two boards. Each of them measure 27 by 9. This square measures 9 by 9 with the hole drilled right in the center. This one here is the backing board. This one here is the speaker face. So on the backing board, we put the rest of the pieces together, and it makes the echo chamber. And at this point, we could glue it, clamp it, or nail it together. Don't nail the face in yet. You would have a working speaker. Speaker goes in there, sound comes out there. Let's go on to the next step. Okay, we've finished sanding. As you could see by the test piece we did, I'll give you a close-up in a second. 2 coats of sealant, 2 sandings, works perfectly. You can get away with 1 coat, doesn't look as good as the 2 coats, but either way, it works. Don't do it on top of bare MDF. So now we've gone through all the surfaces, top surfaces sanded, side surfaces, and the whole face, plus the routed edge. Once all that's done, all you have to do is decide what color we're going to paint it. Because I've done a whole load already, and the only one I'm missing is yellow, and it seems to go so well with black. Those are the 2 colors: taxi yellow, matte black. Let's get to it. Wipe off the dust. Let's start painting. Okay, so it's finished. Let's test it out, see how it works. Alright, it seems like it works. With a few simple tools, a few bits of scrap wood, some paint cans, some glue, we've got Christmas presents sorted in August. Alright, so that's it guys. If you like the video, remember to give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe. You know the drill. It's much appreciated. I'll see you on the next one.